The Princess and the Crystal Bird. Princess Mira lived in a peaceful kingdom surrounded by sparkling rivers and tall, misty mountains. She loved exploring the forests, listening to birds, and helping anyone she met. One morning, while walking near a shimmering waterfall, she spotted something glowing among the rocks. Curious, she gently stepped closer and found a tiny bird made of crystal. Its wings sparkled like diamonds, and its body glowed with soft blue light. When Mira picked it up carefully, the crystal bird suddenly twitched and came alive. It fluttered its wings, singing the most beautiful, magical melody she had ever heard. The song made flowers bloom faster, water shine brighter, and Mira's heart feel warm and peaceful. But soon, a gentle voice echoed from the mountain nearby.
The mountain spirit.
The bird you hold belongs to me, the mountain spirit.
The mountain.
Mira looked up and saw a faint, glowing figure forming above the waterfall. Instead of being afraid, she held the bird close and said, "I'm sorry. I didn't want to take it. I just wanted to keep it safe." With courage and kindness, she climbed all the way up the mountain to return the bird. The journey was long and tiring, but she never gave up. When she reached the top, she placed the crystal bird in the spirit's hands. The mountain spirit smiled, impressed by her honesty and bravery. "Because you chose kindness over desire," the spirit said, "you will receive a gift." A delicate crown appeared on Mira's head, made of crystal and glowing softly. It shined brighter every time she helped others, and soon the whole kingdom called her